Welcome students. Myself S.C. Kunde from Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. I have already started lesson number 9, carbon compounds. In the previous lecture, we have studied bonds in carbon compounds and models of methane molecule and all about carbon atom. The next topic is hydrocarbons, that is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Carbon compounds contain many elements. The element hydrogen is present to a smaller or a larger extent in majority of carbon compounds. The compound which contain carbon and hydrogen as the only two elements are called hydrocarbon. That means they contain only hydrogen or carbon. Hydrocarbons are the simplest and the fundamental organic compound. The smallest hydrocarbon is methane. Methane is having formula CH4 and which is formed by the combination of one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom, that is CH4. We have already seen the structure of methane. Ethane is one more hydrocarbon. Its molecular formula is C2H6. The first step in writing the line structure of a hydrocarbon is to join the carbon atom in the molecule with single bonds, and then in the second step use the hydrogen atom in the molecular formula so as to fulfill the remaining valencies of the tetravalent carbon atom. Now in the diagram it is shows the electron dot structure using two methods. Observe the diagram. The electron dot structure of ethane molecule is given. The molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. In the first step, join the two carbon atom with single bond carbon-carbon. And in the second step, use the 6 hydrogen atom in the molecular formula for fulfilling the tetravalency of both the carbon atom. There are two more hydrocarbons that contains two carbon atom, namely ethene having formula C2H4 and ethyne having the molecular formula C2H2. Let us see the method to draw the structural formula of ethene C2H4. In the first step, join the two carbon atom with single carbon-carbon bond. In the second step, use the 4 hydrogen atom in the molecular formula for satisfying tetravalency of both the carbon atom. It appears that one valency of each of the two carbon atom is not satisfied. In the third step, satisfy the tetravalency of the two carbon atom by drawing a double bond in place of the single bond between them. The next topic is line structure and structural formula. The carbon compound having a double bond or a triple bond between two carbon atoms are called unsaturated compound. Ethene and ethine are unsaturated hydrocarbons. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called alkene, and the unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structure contain carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Generally, the unsaturated compounds are more reactive than the saturated compounds. The next topic is straight chain, branch chain and ring of carbon atom. Let us compare the structural formulae of methane, ethane and propane molecule. From these structural formulae, it is seen that the carbon atom lie in the core of the molecule, while the hydrogen atom bonded to each of the carbon atom are on the periphery of the molecule. The mutually bonded carbon atom in the core are like the skeleton of the molecule. The carbon skeleton determines the shape of the molecule of a carbon compound. A straight chain of carbon atom is formed by joining the carbon atom are next to the other. The first column of the table shows that straight chain of carbon atom. Write the structural formulae of the corresponding straight chain hydrocarbons in the second column satisfying the tetravalency of the carbon atom by joining them to hydrogen atom. Let us observe the chain in butane molecule. The 4 carbon atom can be joined to form a carbon chain another way. Two different structural formulae are obtained on joining hydrogen atom to these two chains so as to satisfy the tetravalency of the carbon atom. The molecular formula of both these structural formulae is the same, which is C4H10. These are two different compounds as their structural formulae are different. The phenomenon in which compound having different structural formula have the same molecular formula is called structural isomerism. The number of carbon atom increases further due to the isomerism observed in carbon compound. The carbon chain which is shown in the figure is a straight chain of carbon atom, and in the another figure it is the branch chain of carbon atom. Apart from the straight chain and branch chain, closed chain of carbon atom are present in some carbon compound, where in ring of carbon atom form. For example, the molecular formula of cyclohexane is C6H12 and its structural formula contains a ring of 6 carbon atom, which is observed in this diagram. This is the structural formula of cyclohexane C6H12. Various examples of hydrocarbons are given in this table. It is learned from the structural formula of benzene that it is a cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbon and there are three alternate double bonds in the six-membered ring structure of benzene. The compound having this characteristic unit in their structure are called aromatic compounds. You have learned about the hydrocarbon compounds which are formed by the combination of the element hydrogen and carbon. Many more types of carbon compounds are formed by formation of bonds of carbon with other elements such as halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. The atom of these elements substitute one or more hydrogen atom in the hydrocarbon chain and thereby the tetravalency of carbon atom is satisfied. The atom of the element which is substitute for hydrogen is referred to as a heteroatom. The compound acquire specific chemical properties due to these heteroatom or the group of atoms that contains heteroatoms, irrespective of the length and nature of the carbon chain in that compound. Therefore, these heteroatoms or the group of atoms containing heteroatom are called functional group. Observe in this table the functional groups are given, that is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ether, ester and amines. Next topic we will discuss in next lecture.